Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Gaming for Beginners. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to redeem code in Once Human game. If you have got a redemption code and you don't know where to redeem it in Once Human, first of all launch open the Once Human game on your device. Once you're inside the game, go ahead and tap on the three dots at the top right corner of the screen to open up this menu. From the menu, click on Settings. Under the Settings option, go to very bottom and look for Redeem Code button and tap on it. Now, enter the redemption code, promo code, gift code or reward that you've received and type it down in the text box. Once you are done typing it down, click on Confirm in order to use the redemption code. Soon after you do that, if the code is valid, you'll see a confirmation message showing the reward you received. Rewards are usually credited instantly to your account or your account's inventory. That's how you easily redeem your code in Once Human game in just a few simple steps. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.